In this section, we'll go over the basic sticky hand roll, which is called Pun Sao. Now we're going to go through some different techniques in Chi Sao called Pun Sao. Pun Sao is the roll in Wing Chun that you do when you do Chi Sao, the sticky hands exercise. One person is in Tan Sao and the other person is in Bong Sao. When I roll to Tan Sao, the other person rolls to Bong Sao. Our left hand in this position is only going to be in Fuk Sao. This is the Fuk Sao position, which is the crane's beak. My left hand stays in Fuk Sao. My right hand goes Bong Tan. Now she's doing the same thing I'm doing. Our left hands are in Fuk Sao. The right hand rolls from Bong to Tan. The purpose of the roll, or Pun Sao, is to develop sensitivity. So as I go through the roll like this, what I want to do later is go through some different hits. As I go through the hits, the person gets used to going through all the deflections. So as you go to a hit, they understand how to go through one deflection after the other without thinking, and then going back into the roll of Pun Sao. So it's a basic roll of Wing Chun Chi Sao, which is sticky hands, called Pun Sao. Now we're going to show you how to switch from right side to left side in Chi Sao. Pun Sao is the roll. Now you notice my right hand is going from Bong to Tan, my left hand is in Fuk Sao. The same things that she's doing. When I switch to left side, I roll around. Now my left side goes from Bong to Tan, and her left side is using Bong Sao and Tan Sao. Now she's going to switch back to right side, and I switch back to right side. So this is a good drill to practice switching sides from right to left. As I'm in Tan Sao, I roll around, switch to left. Now she can roll around back to switch to the other side. We can switch back and forth like this. Just practice the roll. So you're able to do both sides, so you can practice deflections with both hands in Chi Sao. That's a basic roll switching right to left in Chi Sao, Pun Sao.